Hello, my friend, welcome back. So, here is again overview guide so you can understand the system I have created completely. So, I have done the space smaller. So, let's move to the implementations of advanced selector. So, for now, I'm going to duplicate the theme. So, your previous work will not get affected. Let's see. Okay, the theme is added. I'm going to customize it. We have opened the theme customizer, and right after we have need to open the product template. Great. So now we have product pages section, and we don't need to change anything in the price and title because it's dynamic and will fetch from the original product price and it's work well. So now move to the forum. When you press on the forum, you will see some settings like enable advanced size selector. When you enable it, it will become the visible inside the default product template. Okay, but it actually we have a target option, like for targeting variants option. So which variant option we want to target out to be used in the very advanced variant selector. Like if you want to use size variations to be inside the variant selector, advanced variant pop-up selection, you make sure, like in the previous let me show you. If you want to show the meta metal fair inside the pop-up, you just have to copy the name and paste it here. So basically that field is for the targeting the variant options. Like in the products we have some options. One will be the metal fair, other will be the globe, maybe globe. Okay, so we have only one field for that. If we put the globe cm, it will only target out the globe cm, where it will target out the option that name is globe cm. So you have maybe named something else for other products. So let's check out. uh, let me check in. So basically we have only one option to target out the variant option. So it will target the selected and specified one. I'm going to products. Okay, let's open any product in here. So right now you, for that product you have only variants meta fab. It will be platin and gold. So however, if you used to have some size option inside that product, you have to make sure you have to create and the option name will be the universal same for size only. Like you are a branded store and you should use the size option name will be the similar for all products. If you want to target out the size for the pop-up size selection, going to discard it. Let open another product. Hmm, maybe see which is one. Okay, so for that product we have the name. Okay, so in that product we have option metafarb and size also group, but you should not use the cm units inside the group because we have to make the similar for all products. Like we should have group because some of other products may have the group only, not their units with them. So if the option name for the sizes are universal same, it will target out on the all products. The advanced size selector will get applied on all products if they have the size option and option name will be the same. So that's it. I think you should remove it to the group. Let's check out any other product. Discard it. uh, okay, let's see which product may have the group. Okay, no, that do not have any. Hmm. Okay, great. So now I am on another product. Kaleen 10 is I don't know what to say, but that product have the size option with them also. So in the previous product you have named the option size option as the group cm, but for that product you have named it group. So I think we should use the name as group, and like that I'm going to search out the group. No, I'm going to search out the product. Yeah, we have to upgrade the size name as the group only, not the cm, because cm inside their variants also. I'm going to save it. After making sure all products which have the size option and the option name should be the universally same, so I'm going to update it also inside the section, so it will target out the group, not the group cm. Okay, and you also saying that your site language is German, so you have the option to change the trigger text. Like let me show out. So here we have right now the size select size. So in German, maybe what you update it for, you can update it to the German. Choose size, select size, you can use, like I'm going to copy it and English to German. English German. Okay, let's see. Okay, select size is the gross. I don't know. Okay, let's update it to the German language, and you can do same for all other options. Guide list labels. So guide list label, so if you want to show the size guide and tips, you just have to, okay, crop, okay. So now we have the features to show size guide and tip. Guide list label, that's one the optional. So in the forum block, we have so option from here to here for the advanced size selector. That's it. I think we should also rename it in the German language. Okay, tips. So I'm going to save it. Yeah. Okay. Let's reload the page. What happened on the front end? Yeah. Variants. I'm going to unselect. Okay. Actually, the page does not. It's open the live one. We have to make sure it to preview. Okay, we have to reload it again to show out the preview one. Now you can see we have updated the input field text, gross size, select size maybe. So we have also updated the uh, menu for the guide and tips. We have also updated that one. So here are the options. So basically now that field is targeting out the variant's name as group only, not the group CM. So you have to make sure for in future you created the size variation, you have to make sure the name it out as the group, not the group and their unit. So from the forum and blog, our settings are done. If you don't want to show the size guide, you just have to turn it off. Now our turn is to how you will show the and manage and add more content for the guide and size guide and tips like that. So here is the name. We have opened the product size guide. Okay, so let's move to the next. Basically, for adding and managing content inside that menu, like complete, you have a separate. I have created a separate section for that because it help to give you a lot of options to customize inside the section, because in the block we have limited controls, we can have limited, but in the section we can have a lot of. So I choose to create the separate section. So let's close the product page section. Right after, I have added advanced size guide. I'm going to drop it down. So here we have some blogs. I'm going to open this advanced size guide settings. So here you have the heading. Actually, that was. So for heading, if you want to customize it in the German, you will see the result on here, and that content is coming from the second section and the intro text top section. So that's it. So basically in the theme editor, all of the content of that you will see not inside the pop-up. You will see in editor, you will see only as separate section. So, but after publishing it on the front end, that all content will be added to that pop-up, not inside the after that section. So you can see how is order, how we align the elements and blocks. So let's move to next. We have added size guide. You can change the language later. So right after, I have added an accordion block. It's basically about the tips we can add. You should add at least one tip for a product. Okay, so let's suppose I have added an accordion block from here, and here we open it. Find your wrist size. So what should be the accordion title? That one is the title. If you want to change in German, you can do it. And yeah, so if you want to open the tip uh, accordion as default, so when the page load, it will automatically get open. We like that. It's now opened, and we can see the options. It's closed now. So accordion intro. Here is the accordion intro. That is accordion. You can change it out. And for adding the bullet points, you can do that. Use that two fields and extra content. If you want to use any content right after the bullet points, you can use it. Like that will be the extra. That will be the extra content. So for adding that options like that, you have to create at least one accordion. After that, you have to create how to card. I mean, you have to add it from here, how to card, and you have to press open the created block. So for grouping, like we have a field name as the group which accordion. So if we name that accordion as the one, if you want to use that how to cards inside that accordion, you just have to group it. Like I'm grouping it one, I'm adding one. If I add two inside it, it will not visible inside that accordion. It may be inside any other. So now we have the bracelet cards. We can add more and more like that. How to card, we can add more if you want. We can delete also previous one. Now it's time to add the bracelet card. We have option, and when you add it as the block, you will see some setting: bracelet card, product image, bracelet title, your product title. Basically, you can use any product, add any product title, and there's table row bracelet sizes maybe. So when you put that it will separate it, like left side and the right side. And if you want to add more row, you have to start in the new line. And here is the note. So you can see in that bracelet card we have some note. We can use it in that field. So for adding content in German content inside here, you have to put the note. So that's it. If you want to add more and more, you can do simply by adding the block bracelet card. Bracelet card. And if you want, if you want, we should add more drop down accordions. Like I'm going to add same with different content. We want to if we want to have two accordions, suppose. So what we do, we basically add accordion, and we have to change the value as 2, and also we are going to 2. After creating it out, we have to create the cards for that accordion. I'm going to add it more. How to card, actually it's the tip we can give to our customers. So I'm assigned, as we our new accordion have the group hash value is uh, accordion. Okay, so I have added another accordion, and if I want to show another how to card inside that accordion, I'm going to press it out, and I'm going to assign the same value. And also I'm accordion 2. Okay, for the letting difference, save it. Actually that section you can use to show different products with their different size guides at the same pop-up, like our reference site have done, and they have a lot of product inside it to show their size guide. So let's reload it. Press on. So now you can see we have two accordion. One is default one. We have other content inside it. Here is the other one. Yeah, here is accordion option 2. We can add image, something like that. So here is how you can create two accordion with the same pop-up, and you can make maybe a lot of 10. Also we can add the products guide inside it, inside the same pop-up. So that's it, how it work. And if your point if your point is to show the size guide of any specified products, like if you want to show inside that option only size guide and tips of that product, only that product, I mean you want to showcase the size guide and tips separately for their each product. So what you can do, you can you have to make sure you have complete content. For that you have to create it. Like I'm going to I want to add accordion and tips managed separately to showcase separately to the clients. I don't want to show all size guide of products inside the same. So I'm going to copy it, product name, I'm going to paste it out, create. So now you can see inside the products we have two templates. One is for all products, default one, and other will be only for that. So what we have to open the new created template, and I am going to delete the accordion. Oh no, Okay, I'm going to open the section. I'm going to delete the two bracelets. I'm going to save it. So now we have two templates ready. If you manage the content inside only for that template, like we have two templates, so you have to go to admin again to the product page. Okay, now we are on the product page, and you have to see that option theme template. You have to reload the page. Okay. Yeah, actually, you will see new template like that, like default product. Here we have the default product, and you will see when the uh, working theme is live, you will see another template like that inside that option. You have to select it and you have to save. So what we have done, we have assigned another template to that specific product to showcase separately content. So that's it, how it's work.